Not too bad.
Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Renee Rowena and my son Zayn. Say hi. Today we're going to the Africa Lion Safari. We've had this on our to-do list for a moment now, actually. It's been a minute. So today I'm taking him and we've decided to take you guys along with us. So stay tuned. And we are finally here, guys. So we've decided to take the drive through first to see the animals. I had Zayn sitting in the front of the car so he could see better, and he was still struggling, y'all. So I later had him sit on my backpack.
Look at that animal.
Zayn's over there. Oh my goodness, Zayn, look! You see that?
What? What's it on the tail?
So if y'all know Zayn, you know he is obsessed with elephants. Throughout the entire drive-thru, he kept asking, "Where are the elephants?" I said, "Don't worry, baby, we'll see them later." Zayn, say hi. Okay guys, so we've completed the drive-through and now we're on a mission to find the elephants.
Yeah, I mean, it's just a matter of handling them whenever they're not hungry, they haven't just been fed, and they're not about to shed, or you don't smell. So we always wash our hands before, make sure we don't smell like anything that might sound or feel a little bit appetizing to her. And really, it's just letting her hold you versus you holding her.
The sun was so hot, y'all, so here we are taking a little break before we continue our journey to see the elephants. Zayn, let's go! And mission accomplished. Zayn's favorite animals. We made it to the elephants, y'all.
I would dare back to the elephant.
Yeah, look at that one over there with the water. See?
One, one, the want the elephant toy.
Okay, we're gonna buy elephant toys for you, okay?
Mommy, we are
When it's this hot, guys, you have to go to the sprinkler. Careful! Careful, Zayner. Are you trying to put it in your mouth? Let's go, Zayner. Zayn.
It's a remarkable sight to see these guys in flight. Those beautiful wings there can carry them up to speeds of 50 to 60 kilometers per hour. That tail in the back there is used to help steer while they're out flying around, and they can fan it out when they're ready to make a nice, soft, safe landing. But I would say Fever and Levi have done a pretty excellent job today. Why don't we give them a hand?
The bird has a very distinct call, said to sound like the laughter of children. They do quite often use it as a territorial call. So how does that work? They fly to the edge of their territory, laugh out nice and loud, wait for their neighboring kookaburras to laugh back, establishing where one territory ends and the next one does begin. Now, if he does look at all familiar to you, perhaps you have seen a belted kingfisher in this area, as these guys are the largest member of the kingfisher family. But being a laughing kookaburra, I'm hoping he has a bit of a chuckle for everyone.
We quickly figured out that there's quite an easy meal to be had around human beings. Not only that though, they're doing us a favor by eliminating harmful germs and diseases from the environment, keeping us humans nice and healthy, as well as the rest of the animals in the ecosystem. But we here at African Lion Safari share Crojo's passion for recycling. We've switched to biodegradable straws, from plastic bags to paper ones, and have even incorporated plastic benches around the park made of recycled milk jugs. But Crojo's final message to all of you is to reduce, reuse, and recycle. He thinks if he can do it, then so can all of us. Let's give him a hand. In case with our next bird, I'd love for you all to meet Papaya. Papaya is a Swainson's or chestnut mandible toucan. Now this is the second largest species of toucan in the world after the Togo toucan. And I think everyone here will agree with me when I say her most striking feature is that beautiful long bill of hers there. Now this bill is 4 times the size of her skull and equal to the entire length of her body. So it certainly seems like it'd be a pretty heavy thing to carry around all day. But it is deceivingly light. If you're to compare the weight of that bill to the weight of all of her feathers combined, her feathers would actually weigh more.
Macaw is a tropical bird native to South and Central America. Weather is beautifully abundant year-round, and so is food. So they're not really long-distance flyers. But when she hatched out here at the park, her plan was to have her fly free to share how beautiful these birds can be in flight with all of you. So her flight path is from her trainer to the back corner, and let's see that tail work for us today. Out come the brakes. And it's another safe landing. She's done an excellent job. Let's hear it for her today. 22 years old. Pretty impressive. However, he's a parrot. They live a long time, and one of his size can live anywhere from 50 to 60 years. So for him, 32 years means lots of experience, lots to say. Let's see what he has in store. Pretty cheerful little greeting. He hatched here in Canada, so he is very proud of that fact. Would you like to hear him sing again? Yeah. All right, pressure's on. Not too bad for a little green bird. Let's hear it, Zane.
Aww. And here comes my baby. They have lots of attractions and fun activities for the kids. I'm trying to let Zayn get a little bit of everything. So here we are in the lineup for the scenic railway, which took maybe like 15 minutes waiting, but it was all worth it.
All find our seats, please. All aboard. It serves as a natural refuge for many wild animals and birds native to southern Ontario. Predominant vegetation in this area includes willow, ash, elm, poplar, and a large sheltering white pine forest. The Nature Boy Scenic Railway is intended as a scenic ride and not as an animal display. Therefore, it will only be by chance if the animals are seen. Please keep your eyes peeled and your cameras ready.
Hi, Zayn. Choo choo. Your elephants, look. Immediately after the scenic railway, Zayn took advantage of the playground.
Come here, Zayba. Come back, Zayba.
Good job, Zayn. Go, Zayn. Good job, Zayny. Guys, I am exhausted. There he is. Hi, Zayner. And he just keeps going and going and going, but at least he's having fun. And there goes the African Queen boat cruise, which we didn't get any time to go on, but I guess we will next time. So these are the few souvenirs that we collected from the African Lion Safari. I got this cup for Zayn, so cute with the animals imprinted on it. It says #1 kid. And then I got this mug for myself. It says African Lion Safari. So cute. And then I also got this, y'all. I love this one. And of course, Zayn got his elephant. I don't know if y'all heard him. Mommy, can I get an elephant toy? So I got him this from the gift shop. But that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and God bless.